Alright, welcome back. This is Excel assignment 3. We open up a blank workbook in Excel, and then we're going to create the following table like it's showing right here on the paper. So we're going to come down here and we're just going to start typing this up. Looks like this is a student test results. So we're going to go ahead and type this up. Okay, the class is called Computers 2020. Okay, evening classes, Monday and Wednesday. Looks like it's a college class. Boy, you never figured you'd be working on stuff for a college class, okay? All right, so teacher, colon, Mr. Campbell. Okay, and this is the class roster. Okay, A8, I'm going to type in the last name. Tab over, first name, test 1, test 2, test 3, and test 4. I don't think there's any more beyond there. Oh, an average. Hit the home key on the keyboard. It takes us back to the left. Remember we learned that? Shortcut keystrokes. Okay, so the first person name is Samuel Corey. Corey Samuels. So last name is Samuels. Corey. Okay, and he got 95, 90, 89, 88. Okay, just hit enter. We'll go back over here to the beginning. We'll worry about averages here in a little bit. Ryan Fraser. So we're going to go Fraser, Ryan, okay, and he got 85, 81, 75, 79. Hit enter. Cindy Thompson, Thompson, Cindy. Okay, now you notice our stuff is starting to spill over to the next column, so we're going to grab the divider here between A and B and scoot it over a little bit. Same thing with first name. All these others should be okay. All right, so Cindy, where are you? Right here, 70, 74, 68, and 65. Okay, Ignacio Rodriguez. Okay, he got 81, 75, 73, and 78. Okay, George Madison. Okay, 81, 75, 73, and 78. And then we got Jennifer Nielsen. Okay, 77, 83, 78, 81, enter. Okay, last one here is Marianne Payne. Okay, she got 93, 90, 85, and 94. All right. Anything else we need to do on that one? No. Okay. So on the title row, in row 1 should be 14, size 14 and bold. Okay, so in row 1. So we're going to click over here, do a control home. It takes us right up there. Okay, so we're going to bold and change it up to size 14. There we go. Okay, we're going to bold the teacher and class roster. So I can click teacher and class roster, just like that. Okay, change the font in row 8 to 11 point. So I'm going to highlight that whole row, and we're already on 11 point, but we're going to make it bold, just like that. Okay, you will now use the average function to calculate the mean of all of a range of cells. The arithmetic mean adds the value in the cell and then divides it by the number of values. So we're going to click on cell G9. Okay, so let's click on G9 right there. You want to place an average of what the value from column C through F in G9. So we're going to click the FX button right here. It's called the function button in the formula bar. And we're going to select average. Okay, so right here's the FX, and we're going to select average, and we're going to hit OK. All right, and then it says, it looks at it and automatically says, okay, are we doing cell C9 through F9? And it says it right over here. So yes. So hit OK. So it averages that up. All right, copy this formula down to cell. Yeah, copy this formula down to the cells G10 through G15. Okay, so what that's saying is they want us to copy these down. Everybody remember how we do that? Okay, instead of typing everything, we're going to grab this handle on the right side here, in the right bottom corner. Click. When that cursor turns to a black cross, click and drag down. Voila. Okay, you got all those in there? There we go. Now we're all the way down here on step number 7. Okay, now it says we're going to find out what the maximum is in the columns. So we want to click on cell A18. So where's A18? Right here, and we're going to type maximum. Okay, in cell A19, we're going to type minimum. And I had my cap locks on. Okay, now we're going to move up over here to the column where test 1 is. We want to find out what the maximum is. The maximum test score in column 1 was. So we type equals max. Okay, look right there. We're just going to double click on that. And all we got to do is highlight the range of cells. Hit enter and we got it. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for min, right underneath it. Equals min. There it is. Double click on it. Okay, we're going to highlight that same row of cells now, and we'll hit enter. So, in this column right here, the highest test score was 95. If you look, sure enough, it's right there at the top. Okay, the lowest score was 70, and Cindy got it right there. Okay. Now we got to do that same thing for all of these over here to test 4. Now instead of typing that equals max and equal min in every single one of them, we can highlight the 2 columns or 2 cells like that, grab the little handle in the bottom right hand corner again, click and drag over to test 4 and let go. Now we can see in test number 2, 90 was the highest and 74 was the lowest. Cell 3, 89 was the highest and the lowest was 68. Okay, in test 4, 94 was the highest, so Marianne got the highest this time, and 65 was the lowest. Okay? Alright, so now we're clear down here on number 9. Okay, now what we want to do is come over here and we want to count the number of tests, or number of people that took the test. Okay, so let's see where it says click on A21. Right there. And we'll type in number of tests. Okay, then we're going to click on G21, which is right there. And we're going to type this formula in there, which is a equals count. Oh, there it is right there. Double click on it. And we're going to just grab this range of cells right here. And we're going to press enter. And it counted 7. 7 people took the test. Okay. All right. That's it for Excel assignment 3. So let's go up. Oh, we need to save it first. So go click on the save button up here. And we'll say Excel 3. Yeah, okay, let's make it look right. Okay. Turn off my cap locks. Excel 3. And then look and make sure where it's going. It's going in the Documents folder. Hit Save. Now you're ready to upload it to Moodle. Okay. I believe we used this same file for Excel 4A and 4B, so leave that up, and we'll go to the next video.